the curfew applies to the entire territory of the Republic of Kenya. As I've stated, it will take place between 7 p.m. starting from this evening up to 5 a.m. until further notice. It will prohibit all the public gatherings, processions, or movement either alone or as a group during the period of the curfew. The implication of this curfew. The curfew demands that all the persons present within the territory of Kenya shall remain indoors within the said period. This will only exempt 20 essential services which were outlined in the Gazette notice.
The curfew has been necessitated by the fact that it has been very difficult to maintain social distancing. A lot of our people who have been infected is as a result of social interactions and from our own observations, usually in the evenings and at night. Secondly, even where we have asked people to do self-quarantine for the mandatory 14 days, we have observed the habit of social distancing during the day and flaunting it at night. This is unacceptable.